Good evening and welcome to the Financial Week. I'm Javon Keys. The Jamaica Promotions Corporation, JAMPRRO, is removing its exporter registration process effective October 1. It says this will simplify the country's export procedures, allowing persons to directly send goods overseas through the Jamaica Single Window for Trade J-SWIFT and the Acicuda systems. Prior to carrying out export shipments, all exporters are currently required to register with JAMPRRO on Export JA, an online exporter registration platform which is integrated into the Jamaica Customs Agency's Acicuda system. JAMPRRO says where permits or licenses are required, exporters can start their requests to obtain a permit via the J-SWIFT platform from any of the 10 border regulatory agencies currently onboarded on the system. Exporters not requiring permits or licenses can submit export declarations via the Acicuda system or through the services of licensed custom brokers when ready to ship. So the JAMPRRO is getting rid of one step there for persons looking to export out of Jamaica. As we head to some other news, the Heart NSDA Trust says it is looking to boost support for local manufacturing sectors and its players. The local manufacturing sector and its players, the entity says its new strategic plan places major emphasis on this area. As the call for more skilled labor continues, the Heart NSDA Trust is again placed squarely in the spotlight.
The folks at Heart need to understand that we are depending on you for our future growth. If you can supply the people that industry needs, we have a chance of continuing to grow.
Managing Director at the National Training Agency, Dr. Tanisha Ingleton, says the institution sees manufacturing as a major pillar for growth and development.
The manufacturing sector is the largest of the 8 dominant sectors that define the programs at Heart. And that is why we are giving the manufacturing sector full focus this year, moving forward into our strategic plan for the next 5 years. We are focusing on physical upgrades and development, and we are expending $2.4 billion over the next 3 years on manufacturing and the associated sectors such as agriculture, logistics, and the automotive industry.
She says as the trust forges more partnerships with industry players, other supporting areas will also be given focus.
We have to pay attention to our ICT infrastructure. And so we have expanded our cloud strategy to accommodate a wide access of services, not just in operation, but also training to accommodate our virtual academies. We're also working on the physical infrastructure of the organization. And as I stated before, making significant investments in our labs, in our different institutions to accommodate the high-level training that we have already on board for our participants.
Now let's head to the foreign currency market. Banks and cambios are selling the US dollar for an average $155.42. $116 is the going rate for the Canadian dollar. The average cost for the pound is $190.43, while it's costing $167.43 for the euro. The JSE index gained 877 points today, while the junior market index increased by 6 points. Among the 45 winners were Cygnus Real Estate Finance US dollar shares, Caribbean Cream, CAC 2000, Mayberry Jamaican Equities, and Lumber Depot. The 38 losers were led by ISP Finance Services, Proven Group, Key Insurance Company, Kingston Wharves, and Iron Rock Insurance. Now 19 stocks ended the session trading at the same price they did at the start today. And that's the end of the Financial Week. I'm Javon Keys. Good evening.